Honeywell Thermostat Model RTH6580WF is on heat cycle when thermostat reads cool.
Is this a new installation? If so, tell me brand of equipment and how you have changeover valve setup in the menu.
Newly installed Honeywell Theromostat Model #RTH6580WF. Thermostat shows cool mode, yet heater is blowing.
Okay, do you know how to enter the setup menu? And what is brand of your heat pump? See link below for instructions on entering setup menu. Make sure to select 5 for function 1 and select 0 for function 2. Let me know if this solves your problem. To enter system setup. I will stand by for you to try this. Let me know if you need help and if this solves problem.
I have central air. Will these settings still work?
Give me model on your indoor and outdoor units if you can. Tell me if you have a wire to OB. If so, tell me where it went on old thermostat. Are you still with me? Looks like you have left for tonight. I am about to leave also. I will check in tomorrow morning. Do not rate until we have this solved. Thanks again. I promised I would check in on you this morning. Usually when the heat comes on in cool mode, it is because of a setting in the configuration menu or wired incorrectly. If you can give me Model O units, I can verify proper wiring and settings for you.
I've had to leave this problem to a local HVAC company to figure out. I've got a 2-stage heat pump with electric AC unit. AC unit is carrier, but I do not know the model number.
I totally understand. I am a licensed HVAC contractor and would be more than happy to walk you though if you wanted me to. If you have a 2-stage heat pump, the basic difference is we use the Y2 as well as Y1. The reason heat is coming on is because we have to wire and configure a bit differently. Model will be on a label on unit and I have all the wiring diagrams to guide you.
AC is fixed. I must have fat-fingered the configuration. HVAC Tech took less than 10 minutes to reprogram.
Excellent news. If you have further questions, please let me know. Thanks for letting me work with you. If my answer has been polite, professional, and thorough, please click one of the ratings before you go. If you still need help, let me know. Expert is not paid for assisting you until you rate answer. Feel free to follow up for 30 days at no additional cost. Bonus always appreciated if you feel justified. To rate answer, please select one of the stars below. Leaving a poor service rating will not automatically refund your money, but reflects poorly on your expert. You have to request a refund if not satisfied with the information provided being accurate.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.